Hey, what's going on here? Surge Fit, 1 minute tips. Guys, this is for the underdogs. This is for the guys starting from the bottom. Guys who don't have hundreds of thousands of followers like I am. How to get your first client, online client, all right, on the internet. What I did, guys, is I started working with local clients and indoctrinate them into the system. Start getting them into some type of software, whether you're using an app or whatever program you're using. Get them used to using this program and training on their own, setting up programs for them to follow, and then also letting them know the advantages of still having accountability from you as a coach, but also the price advantages of being cheaper working on their own. So train them to start training themselves. Get with a program that they can follow and start having that as you work with them once or twice a week. And after a while, some of those clients are gonna wanna branch off and continue having you as the accountability coach, but have the confidence to work on themselves, by themselves, with your online coaching program. All right, quick tip, if you don't have a lot of followers and you can't generate a lot of leads from online, this is something you can do right now with your clients from the physical world.